Supportive sa akin na kahit bida-bida lang ako noon, naniwala sila sa akin na may ma-achieve din ako. And please do so sa inyong mga anak kasi hindi nyo alam kung ano yung magiging impact nila sa mga susunod na taon. So huwag nyo po silang bitawan, huwag nyo po silang sukuan. And also to the kids, don't forget to enjoy. Alam kong nakaka-pressure na marami kayong kakalaban, na ang daming
for being the ultimate ground winner?
Simula po na nag-start ako dito, ang dami ko na po nakuha ng blessings like commercial and guest ticket.
Let us now see and welcome the finalists for Moms and Saudade! CJ, how are you tonight?
Yung totoo ba? Hirap na hirap po kasi mag-judge. Yun po talaga yung kung kamusta ako ngayon. Hirap po ako mag-judge.
Vision Entertainment Production since 1991! Supporters, our defenders, thank you so much for taking time to celebrate with us here at the title for this digital event, Digital Superstar Peace Event 2023. Our ultimate grand winner of Squad Super Digital Superstar Kids 2023. Again, congratulations to the parents of the team.
individually, uniquely. So you don't have to compare yourself to other people. Enjoy nyo lang. Yung etong event na to, lahat kayo panalo dito kasi ang naging nyo yung experience. Yung title lang yan, plaque lang yan, pero yung experience hindi nyo mababayaran yun. So guys, enjoy lang. Yun lang.
For all your efforts, sa mga parents, supporters, family members who are here, who stayed even above this night, maraming salamat po on behalf of the